Step into vibrant student life at Arlington Cottages and Townhomes in Baton Rouge, a contemporary, pet-friendly community designed for both comfort and convenience. Choose from 3, 4, and 5-bedroom with shared cottages, townhomes, and duplexes outfitted with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, wood-style plank flooring, walk-in closets, in-unit washers and dryers, dishwashers, microwaves, private bathrooms and patios or balconies, offering modern living tailored for students. The community offers resort-style amenities, the largest pool in Baton Rouge with outdoor cabanas, pool house game room, renovated clubhouse with study hall, state-of-the-art fitness center with yoga and CrossFit spaces, spin room, pet-friendly pet park with washing station, grilling stations, computer lounge with free printing, collaboration rooms, on-site courtesy officer, and on-call maintenance. Located at 550 Ben Hur Rd, you're a brief drive from Louisiana State University and Southern University Law Center. Travel effortlessly using the Lee at Winn-Dixie Bus Stop or Highland at Sunset, E-Bus Stop, both located within accessible distance. For food spots, head to Chick-fil-A or Playa Bowls for a quick bite, or find a calm workspace at Lighthouse Coffee or Garden District Coffee, all within a 10-minute walk. Ready to embrace the ultimate LSU living experience? Book your tour and secure your spot at Arlington Cottages and Townhomes today at amberstudent.com.